How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
All of you keep your videos on. Hemang is having problem. Yash, Abhishek, Vijay, Kumar, Harsh, Pratham. Am I not audible to all of you? Just wave your hand if I am audible. Shraddha, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Then I said wave your hand, so I'll come to know that I'm reaching to you or not. See, Hemang is there with us now. Let me share my screen with you. All of you keep your videos on till I say to switch it off. Right. Okay. So how are you all? Fine? See, when all of you are present, it gives me a feeling of being in a class. So, how are you all? Fine? Fine. Okay. Do you read newspapers? Newspaper or watch TV news? Keep your faces smiling, okay? Nobody is going to hang you today. Alright? It's not possible also because I'm far many kilometers away from your house. You are in safe zone, maybe the safest zone in the whole world. So smile.
Sir, I left watching news after COVID situation.
Acha. After COVID situation, but keep watching news, right? Newspaper or news. Okay, any latest update which you should be knowing? Some historic event is going on. China attacked India. Okay. Who spoke? Okay. What else?
International
Yoga Day, so it is regular, but this is historical in a way that China came inside India's border, killed our 20 soldiers, means they were martyred. 10 soldiers were captured. And the recent, soldiers were not.
Soldiers captured.
Then what? 10 soldiers were returned by China, and there was a big havoc. It never comes in a regular news channel. It comes on separate YouTube news channel, because these all channels are having one or other way control of government, so they are hesitating. But this initially government said that nobody is killed, then they said only 3 are killed, then they said 20 are killed and nobody is captivated. Then after 2 days China released 10 of our soldiers, and then we came to know that things are going very, very wrong. And right now China is having their own construction, soldiers and establishment in Indian side. You might not be knowing, right? It never gets reported. Okay, so this you should be knowing. And watch, if you are having say wants to see some independent news, then on YouTube you can watch Lallan Talk. It comes in Hindi, but very nice reporting. Okay, those who are serious minded, those who are planning UPSC examination. You know what is UPSC examination? GPSC exam. Yeah, what is it?
For the IAS
Yes.
collector office.
IAS, IPS, you want to become collector, DSP, class 1 officer, then you have to give this exam, and then you have to keep yourself up to date with this current affairs. And there are a series of interviews and then group discussion where they give current topic, and then you have to discuss about that topic, right? You might not be knowing that highest selling newspaper, The Hindu, is having one special edition for students, those who are aspiring for UPSC, right? Okay, yearbook, do you know Manorama yearbook? It is available in Ajay bookstore every year. This one Kerala publication is there. They come up with one thick book like a dictionary. It contains previous years all the major events, political events, scientific events, and latest general knowledge. Okay, so if you are preparing for these competitive exams, one has to read it, right? It is not only physics, chemistry, bio, maths. Okay, we back to our own original work. By the way, did you all do your homework? Those who have not done homework, raise your hand. Te, Yog, Hetvi, Shraddha, Raj, Neha, Hemang, Aman, Parva.
I am done.
Parva, have you done homework?
Yes, sir. Done. Submitted.
Okay. Aryan, I know, but you have submitted properly, Aryan Desai? Have you submitted?
No, sir, I will submit it today.
It was due date was today. Then here,
No, I didn't.
Manya, Dhriti, Vidushi, keep your cameras on. Vraj, Raj, Khushbu, why do you hide from me? Do you feel shy? You are so photogenic, all of you, right? Boost is the secret of our energy, right, Bipasha? Okay. Let me share a list with you. This many have not done. Paresh, Darbar means that's Kunal, Ayush, Aryan Desai, Abhishek. Then I think this is again iron only.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't submit.
So that's what I'm saying. This is the list with me. So just rest assured that If you are in the impression that sir will not ask, then forget it. I'm taking all this pain of Google Classroom, training myself and training you for this reason only, so that I can catch hold of you. Are you getting me? So you are being watched. हाँ ये बोलते हैं ना ऐसा. Yes.
Due to some net issues, I will have to leave the meeting and then again join.
So you keep on doing that, right? It is you are helpless, I am helpless. So if your connection is broken, feel free to again enter back. I'll be very happy to let you in. Okay, don't worry. Let us start where we were in unison measurement. Solid angle, plane angle, solid angle, 7 fundamental units, 2 supplementary units. This parallax method, 2 methods we have discussed, right? One was to find distance of a planet from Earth, and second was, what was second? Size of a planet, right? Okay. Now today we'll solve this example 2.1. It is also top 2.2 will solve. Read the question. There is a correction. I don't know what is written in your text. In this example 2.2, a man wishes to estimate. It is written the distance, no? Change it to the height. Okay, height of a nearby tower. From him means he is at the bottom of the tower. Now read the question, either on screen or in your notebook. Okay, so let me start. Do you all have textbook right now in front of you? See, there
Yes,
are 30 participants. Out of 30, 3 are awake. The rest of them have gone to sleep. Okay. So there is the tower, Leaning Tower of Pisa. You want to find height. There is a person standing here, okay, and he looks at some distant object very far. This is very, very far. And I think this is in your book. Let me show the figure. Okay, A is here, and this is C, top. Person is at A, standing at the base of a tower, wants to find height of the tower using some mathematical trick. What he does, he looks at distant object. Maybe at the time it is noon, so this is sun. Okay. And this is top of the tower C. So C and O are aligned. Are you getting it? Okay. Then what he does, he walks in this direction and comes to another point B, and he walks 100 meters. Okay. How many meters he walks? 100 meters. Now,
Agreed.
still for him O is here only. Distant object will not change its position, but C has changed its position. So now he has to look at this angle. This is direction of O. He has to change the angle of his vision by 40 degree. Check it in your book. It is 40 or 30?
40.
40 degree. Question is asked, what is height? Do you understand what the question is? I am repeating the question. There is a tower whose height is to be measured. Person A is here at the bottom of the tower, looks at very distant object, and this distant object is O. He finds top of the tower C and the distant object O are in a straight line, and then he walks by 100 meter. Now instead of looking up, he has to change the direction of say watching by 40 degree. Now that's it. The question ends here. How will you find height? Bolo. Using trigonometry, shall I draw? Okay. If this angle is 40 degree, what is this angle? It is 40 degree.
50 degree.
No, this is alternate angle, no? This forms Z type pattern. These both lines are parallel. So if this angle is 40, this is also 40. So this forms a triangle like this. C, A, B, this angle is 40 degree, this is height which you want to find, and this is 100 meter. You have got sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Out of this, which one we should use to find the height? Tan theta.
Tan theta.
Okay. So it is tan of 40 degree. If I write, it is opposite side 100 meter by adjacent side h. Therefore h equal to 100 by tan 40. Now how to find tan of 40? In your textbook, I think on the last page, you are given a method. Are you given in your textbook? Just say it, all of you. Are you given log tables?
Sir, we have log.
You have it, fine. If you are having logbook, very good. Then carry on with that. Then you will find, I will need to show you 10 tables. Let me find it on net itself. Yes.
Sir, if you have those table in PDF form, can you just please
So that's what I am doing now. I have it downloaded, but I couldn't find it right now. Let me search straight away. Yeah. Yes. You are able to see, no, desktop of mine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was in given a much better form. Yeah, this one. Good. See, Google is better than Yahoo. SPC document I'm having VNC in textbook. Save. So just hold on, in a moment we'll have it. Yes. Make it a little bigger. These are natural sign table. Again, this is worth to know. Okay. Now see, this is very carefully you see, it is natural sign. In exam, you will be given table of natural sign whenever such questions are asked. Now you verify what was sine of 30 degree. Last time we did know sine 30 was 1 by 2, that means 0.5. Verify it here. This is sine, this is in degree. Okay, and this 0 minute, 60 minutes, 12 minutes and so on. It goes up to 54 minutes. About this part will come later on. Right now in this first column which has sine 0, sine 1, sine 2, that will go up to sine 30. You get 0.5. See here. See, sine 30 is 0.5. Do you get it? Okay, then sine 45 was 1 by root 2. So this sine 45, 1 by root 2 is 0.7071. Then sine 60 was root 3 by 2. It is 0.8660. You can verify it yourself after this class. That take root 3 divided by 2 in your calculator. Okay, answer will be 0.8660. Okay, and that way, the way this is sine table, you will have cosine table, which is not given. You are in exam, you will be given sine table. This will be given to you. Cos tables are generally not given, but still there is a method to find cosine of any angle. Okay, then you will be given natural tangents, and this is what we are interested right now. Now we want to have tan. Just be careful, this is natural tangent. Often it happens in exam, students out of anxiety, they see natural, they don't read tangent, they take natural sign, put the answer and come back home happily that I did everything correctly. And later on when we show that this is wrong, they are shocked. So this is, you have to read the top carefully that it is natural tangent only. Okay, now here we have to go up to 40 degree. Tan 40 is 0.8391. Do you read that here? This is what I am talking about. 0.8391. So I believe all of you understood how to find tan of 40, right or wrong? Three yes sir came. What are remaining 26?
Yes, sir.
थोड़े झांकते रहो यार, ये क्या है, इतने मगजमारी करके पढ़ाते, नोबडी इज आंसरिंग. मैं इतना बोल बोल करता हूँ, तुमको चांस देता हूँ, चलो तुम भी तो कुछ बोल लो. ऐसा नहीं कि सर ने चांस ही नहीं दिया. ठीक है. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़ 100 बाई 0.86 क्या था, 8391. और जो आएगा that would be the answer. Okay, it is written 100 by 0.8391 in the textbook, and answer is 119 meter. Sorry, I didn't show you. Yes. Okay, this is 100 by 0.8391 equal to 119 meter. That means his height is 119 meter, and that means height of the tower is 119 meter. Do you understand the importance of maths and trigonometry here? And is it difficult maths or general maths? So you need not be scared away by maths. It is going to be that simple in coming days. If you are able to follow this, then your life will be easy in physics. Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed further. Did you see this solar eclipse yesterday
Yes, sir.
on TV?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On TV. Did you try to get it on a piece of paper? You can take one cardboard, put one your pen, nib is here, no? You can insert in that. Maybe you can use a visiting card and insert
Yes, sir.
on the wall. How did you see it on the wall?
Reflection of mirror.
Okay, then what was the shape of the mirror?
Circular.
Acha. From where you got circular mirror?
I had.
अच्छा, किसी के व्हीकल में से तो नहीं निकाल दिया?
Nine.
अच्छा, चलो it's good. This is always see when you are a science student, no? When such events are happening, you should actively take part. That let us see, can I see it at home? टीवी पे तो सब दिखाते हैं, तो फिर फोटो में भी देख सकते हो ना? Can you see it yourself? Okay, can you see it, can you use some other methods by which you can have the thrill of seeing it? I'll show you my photographs. That how I saw it. Okay, I'll share it on our.
also seen.
Okay. So you also
I have also seen.
you have seen, no?
Yes, sir.
But have you
Yeah,
taken?
I'd like to see it behind a taxi.
Yeah, that's good. Using X-ray films, right? So if you have taken your photograph, no, of doing this, then put it in our classroom. Okay. Or put it in our WhatsApp group also. Okay. So the teachers will also be able to see. Okay. Now there is example 2.3. Can you draw the diagram for this example 2.3? After 10 minutes, when connection is broken, we'll again join back with the same ID. Okay.
Okay, sir.
डायग्राम ड्रॉ हो जाए तो थोड़ा दिखा ना कि कैसे ड्रॉ किया है. ठीक है. जैसे भी डायग्राम ड्रॉ हो जाए अपना वीडियो ऑन करें, वीडियो ऑडियो, और कीप इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर कैमरा. हेलो, मून पे तो नहीं चले गए?
नहीं सर.
इधर ही पृथ्वी पर ही हो ना, तो डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके दिखाओ. इतना टाइम
और हो गया.
हो गया. चलो स्क्रीन चालू करो, ऑडियो वीडियो ऑन, लाइट कैमरा एक्शन. या so where is earth and where is moon? Okay, the circle one is earth and this is moon, right? Your audio I think is off. Parv, your audio is off. Now tell.
Sir, this is Earth and this is Moon.
Moon, okay.
It is diameter.
Diameter, okay, good.
Theta.
Theta, right. Okay, let it be there on the screen. Parv, you can go offline now. I mean switch off your camera.
Sir, done.
Show me. And your mic should be unmuted, then your picture will come on my screen.
And this one is the moon.
Just hold on, hold on. Okay, yeah, Shraddha's iPad. Yeah, this is top one is moon, and the big circle at the bottom is earth.
Earth.
Right? Yeah, this is also right. Yeah, correct. Shraddha, fine. Good. Okay, now my turn. Okay, so how it would look like? How we'll solve it? This is earth. These are two diametrically opposite points, let's say A and B, and this is moon. And so you have to look along this line, and from B you have to look along this line. The angle subtended d theta is given. This diameter of the earth B is given. Then capital D is to be worked out. If you remember, we had a formula yesterday, day before yesterday, B equal to D into d theta. Arc equal to radius times angle. So D equal to B by d theta. Okay. So you are given value of B. So theta is given 1 degree 54 minutes. Now this very careful you have to be, that this value should never be used in the calculation. Whenever you do calculation, it is to be in terms of radian. So this is not good. So what we'll do, convert a degree into minutes and minutes into radian. How it is done? See here. You are given how many degrees? 1 degree. 1 degree
1 degree
54 minutes. Okay. Now 1 degree can I write 60 minutes plus this is 54 minutes. So this becomes 114 minutes. Even this cannot be put in the calculation. You can't put that value of d theta here. It would be wrong. Right? You have to convert into radian. How do you convert into radian? We had no yesterday, I think that was the very first example in your text. This part. 1 degree into radian, 1 minute into radian. तो 1 मिनट इंटू रेडियन में क्या आया था? 2.91 10 raised to minus 4. Right? So this is 114 minute into 2.91 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Okay? Now suppose you forgot this value in exam. How to remember this? Or do you need to remember this? Okay. If I would be at your place, what I would prefer to do, that I know one relation was given to you, 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian, that you know. So 1 degree इक्वल टू 2π/360 रेडियन हो गया. ओके, 1 डिग्री मीन्स हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 60 मिनट्स. तो कितना रेडियन होगा? शैल आई राइट π/180, राइट? 2π/360 मीन्स π/180. तो 1 मिनट का कितना होगा? सो दिस विल बी π/180 इंटू 60 डिवाइड बाई 60, राइट? ये वैल्यू जो है उसका कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो ये आंसर आएगा. So if you know little of background about how this value was found, or if you are confused about it, you may use this method. इस 60 minutes का होता है π/180 रेडियन, तो 1 मिनट का कितना? Okay. Now this answer is given in the book directly. Right? -6. उसको फिर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट किया, सो इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे आउट. फाइनल आंसर आएगा 3.32 10⁻². डोंट फॉलो दिस मेथड हियर. व्हाट दे हैव डन, मिनट्स को वापस सेकंड्स में कन्वर्ट किया, फिर कन्वर्ट करके रेडियन में कन्वर्ट. इतना मगजमारी की ज़रूरत है नहीं. ओके, स्टिल अ शॉर्टकट टू दिस मेथड. रेडियन एंड मिनट. 1 मिनट का कितना आया था? π/180 इंटू 60, राइट? तो 114 का कितना? 1 मिनट मीन्स दिस मैनी रेडियन, तो 114 का कितना? सो पाई इंटू 114 डिवाइड बाय 180 इंटू 60. Okay, so I'm repeating those who have joined late. Just have a glance. We have to find diameter of the sun. For that, angular diameter is already given. Angular diameter means the angle subtended with the earth. It is 1920 seconds, and we have to convert it into radian. How far sun is from earth is given by this value 1.496 into 10⁻11 meter, and you have to find diameter of the sun. Okay, and for that, which figure is the most suitable? This figure. From earth we are looking at the left boundary of the sun, and then you are sweeping your telescope to look at the right side, and for that angle form is theta. In physics we call it as angular diameter, which is given to you. Distance from earth to sun is also given. What you are asked to find is B, diameter of the sun. Now solution part is easy, so you can have it here. Here alpha is used, 1920 seconds, multiply with 4.85 10⁻⁻6 radian, so becomes, what it becomes? Radian. And this value 9.31 10⁻³ is used here. Only one difference, earlier we have used theta, here they have used alpha. Rest the story is same. Okay. Now there is topic 2.3.2. It doesn't make any sense. It will become more confusing to you, and there is one method to find size of molecule of oleic acid. Okay. I request all of you to read this method. I'm planning to have a demo here in the lab where we perform this experiment. Means I'll be performing and you look at it. Okay. So this part is not cancelled, it is postponed. Am I clear to you? Finding size of oleic acid molecule will be taught, but later on with the help of a demo. Okay. Yesterday night I tried to find some ready-made YouTube video where the experiment is shown. I couldn't find any suitable one. They are using some animations or video which is not okay to me. Then I thought of can't we do it our own self? Okay, so if you are not studying this topic, it's not going to trouble us in subsequent topics. So not to worry much. Now example 2.5 is very interesting. थोड़ा उसको ध्यान से पढ़ा जाए. कवि शो क्या मागे છે કોઈ આઈડિયા આવે છે તમે જુઓ તો. Okay, now what is meaning of scaled up? Scaled up meaning क्या होता है? Measured up मतलब उसको बड़ा करके. कितना बड़ा करेंगे हम? न्यूक्लियस को we are going to make it bigger. But how big it would be? It should become tip of a sharp pin. ठीक है. अगर हम ये कर पाए, what roughly is the size of an atom? If I put it in simple layman's language, if nucleus is made as big as tip of a pin, how big the atom would be? Answer is going to be shocking. तो इसके लिए डेटा क्या दिया है? न्यूक्लियस का साइज ऑफ न्यूक्लियस is of the order of 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Okay. टिप ऑफ अ पेन उसका साइज कितना होता है? So 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Okay. और साइज ऑफ एटम कितना होता है? So 10 raised to minus 10 meter. If I am not wrong, I have written the data correctly. Yes. I am not using this 10 raised to minus 14 meter. Okay. I am taking that size of the nucleus is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. And another is that tip of the pin I am taking at 10 raised to minus 5 meter and not 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Okay. This question is very much unsumable, so I have written it in a simple language. Again, have a look. If nucleus whose size is very small, it is made as big as tip of a pin, then whole atom would become bigger. Then how big it would be? Now your turn. Can you find some logical argument to solve this numerical?
Size of nucleus minus tip of pin.
Okay, so this is your logic. See, nobody need to feel shy about giving answer. Your answers are your answer. I was been telling this in 10th standard also, newcomers. Please understand, feel free to give answer and nobody will laugh at your answer, not even me. Nobody will make fun of your answer. You think something is worth to be spoken, speak it out. राइट। अगर आता ही होता सब कुछ तो ये क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे होते ना। So you are bound to make mistake and not to worry about making mistakes. So far I got only one answer. What about rest of you?
Size of nucleus upon the tip of pen.
भाई थोड़ा सिंपल रेशियो लगा सकते हैं कि ये इतना है तो ये कितना होगा। चलो हिंट देता हूँ। एक लिखते हैं हम ओरिजिनल साइज और यहाँ लिखते हैं स्केल्ड अप साइज। ठीक है, ओरिजिनल साइज जो 10⁻⁻15 मीटर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस होगी वो हम स्केल्ड अप करके कितना बढ़ा देंगे 10⁻⁻5 मीटर। ठीक है, तो अगर एटम का साइज 10⁻⁻10 मीटर है तो उसका स्केल्ड अप साइज कितना होगा। सी हाउ सिंपल इट इज़। आर गेटिंग मी? न्यूक्लियस, ये यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं न्यूक्लियस जो ओरिजिनली 10⁻⁻15 मीटर है। वी आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द साइज बाय दिस फैक्टर 10⁻⁵ मीटर। देन एन एटम वो साइज 10⁻⁻10 मीटर, उसका स्केल्ड अप साइज कितना होगा। सो सिंपल रेशियो नाउ scaled up size of atom would be equal to 10⁻⁻10 into 10⁻⁻5 divided by 10⁻⁻15. So this is 10⁻⁻15 divided by 10⁻⁻15. Answer is 1 meter. Are you shocked with the answer? Any message to be taken from this answer? से ये मैथ्स नहीं है, ये फिज़िक्स है, तो यहाँ आंसर में से भी बहुत सारा समझना होता है। आप बताओ, आपका टर्न है। ये 1 मीटर का मतलब क्या हुआ? हिंट देता हूँ। टिप ऑफ अ पिन का साइज इतना होगा तो ये साइज हो गया न्यूक्लियस का। If nucleus is this much 10⁻⁵ meter, atom is 1 meter big. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मान लो कि ये पेन है और इसका ये टॉप है, इट इज़ आउट ऑफ फोकस। यहाँ मैं एक डॉट रखता हूँ तो उसको मेरे एटम कितना दिखाना पड़ेगा, उसका रेडियस डायमीटर ये होगा 1 meter, right? This is not exactly 1 meter. This dot is actually smaller than this, and this circumference is bigger than this. So this is nucleus, and this whole is atom. Mass has to be taken home. Atom is 99.9% hollow. It means molecules are also hollow. And that means substances are also hollow. It means whole world is hollow. You are saying that we are having weight, mass and all that thing from inside. Actually we are made up of molecules, molecules are made up of atoms, and atoms are hollow. Right? And still look at the wonder of the nature. We don't feel it, we don't find it. Is it clear? Meaning of the question. Solution. This is the question in simple language. This is simple solution, and this is the meaning. Okay, I'll be sending this on PDF file. Fine, chair? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now if you want to get scared, see how it is solved in book. It is solved in book with this lengthy. Here this is the solution. So you will not write this answer, you will write the answer which I show. Okay. Okay. Then the range of length is there. This is only for your information. One Fermi is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Here is an exception. Fermi is the name of a scientist. Okay. And all the units which are named after a scientist are written capital. But here F is written in small. Why is it so? You will find it out yourself. Tell me in our next session. By the way, Fermi was a scientist who was there as a part of a team which developed first nuclear bomb. Okay. And when I was been studying MSc, one of the roommate of Fermi, very senior fellow, Dr. Potbore, he used to come as a visiting lecturer, visiting faculty to teach quantum physics. Okay. Now Fermi is the name of a scientist. One Fermi is very small measure of length. See, it is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. And this is the dimension of a nucleus. So size of a nucleus is always expressed in terms of Fermi. Okay. Next is angstrom. Now this is when you talk about wavelength of visible light, you use the term angstrom. So as your topic of study gets changed, then the unit of length will change. If you are studying nuclear physics, you will speak in terms of Fermi. If you are studying light, you will speak about length in terms of angstrom. If you are studying astrophysics, you will use this third unit, astronomical unit, which is nothing but average distance between Sun and Earth, which is this much, 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Okay. If you are studying about the whole universe, then use light year. A light year is a unit of time or unit of distance. Hello?
Sir, it is the speed of light which could cover in a 1 year.
So it is distance covered by light in 1 year. So basically it is a unit of distance. If you are asked light year is unit of dash, answer is distance. Right? Now answer is written 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. So this is in your homework. Okay. So I am writing it here. So I don't forget nor you forget. होमवर्क का क्वेश्चन है 1 light here equal to dash meter. You have to show calculation. Is it clear? So yes sir, it is clear.
Sir.
Okay. Measurement of mass. So we will not discuss that part, it is meaningless. But just for your information, we will discuss this in 12th standard. That when you are dealing at microscopic level, nuclear level, you use unit mass, atomic mass unit. Okay. Now this definition will not make any sense to you right now, nor I want to make it up, because even if I teach you will forget. We will need this definition in 12th standard, so I will teach it at that time. Okay. So many questions will discuss that why 112, why carbon 12, right, and why this way only. But if you all discuss, time will get over. Okay. A range of mass का एक ही conclusion है कि we go from 10 raised to minus 30 kg to 10 raised to 55 kg. Very small mass to very large. And फिर कितना है? known universe. ये नॉन यूनिवर्स मतलब हमको जितना दिखाई देता है, हमको जितना पता है इतना. By the way, recently I read in Bhagavad Gita, I'm just sharing it with you. that you know Satyug, Treta Yug, Drapar Yug and Kali Yug, right? Do you know that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So when 1,000 of such yugs are over, one day of Brahma gets over. Now before you come to conclusion, this is all thing fake, listen to be completely delayed. So Satyug has many thousands of years, Drapar Yug, Treta Yug and presently Kali Yug will last for certain thousands of years. Now these years combined, now this such 1,000 repetitions of all these yugs makes one day of Brahma, right? And such repetition of 1,000 yugs will make one night of Brahma. And this way Brahma survives for 100 years. Okay, and then universe is winded up. Destruction. So scientists calculated what that answer would be, that the universe will be winded up. Recently they concluded, they found that answer, and that answer is matching with the Bhagavad Gita's answer. Surprisingly. Now who told this? Not Indians, but Carl Sagan. Carl Sagan is a famous astrophysicist and he was professor of astrophysics and the best known person in the field of astrophysics. So one of the girl students asked him that, sir, what is this universe all about? I find it very confusing. I cannot understand what it is. Can you make it more meaningful? Then he said that you read Indian scripture and you will have perfect understanding of what universe is. Now who is saying this? Carl Sagan. Okay, now story goes further. Why Indian scripture is very popular in Western science? That not only this data is matching, now scientists are coming across that there is not only one universe which we are seeing, there are many universes. So in our scripture, in Srimad Bhagavad it is written that from Krishna Bhagavan's every pore, means every pore of his skin, a universe is coming out. And in each universe has got same kind of Brahma, same kind of this world, and it also goes through birth and death. Okay, so this is worth to know, and how one should have more respect towards our scripture. If time permits, that would be wrong to say that you will be reading Bhagavad Gita, right? But the English version is available. You can read the translation part of it. Our meeting will get over at any moment. Homework I am sending, and many of you have not submitted homework. Submit it fast. Purnam, welcome and goodbye also. Homework is coming, and Kunal, your homework is left, you have to submit. Okay, over and out. Thank you for joining. Shall I close the meeting? Any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Goodbye.